Even if the respondent had continued in the same department, it would not have been possible for him to take the custody of the documents, as he would no longer be in charge of the office. Furthermore, it is evident from the letter that the documents had to be collected from different offices and made available to the respondent. This fact is mentioned in the letter of the executive engineer. In such circumstances, we are unable to accept the submission of the learned counsel for the appellants that it was possible for the respondent to make an effective representation against the charge sheet. The last payment of the tender has been paid by the then executive engineer, and accordingly payment of rupees 19,000 was to be paid by check. Thereafter, you have made this payment through check. You have deliberately made a forced entry in order to cause loss to the government and had made the payment twice through voucher number 142, which has been changed. Therefore, the payment of rupees 59,000, which has already been made, shown to be not paid in the aforesaid entry. In this manner, you have deliberately caused loss to the government by the fraudulent act conspiring for the same, and had recovered rupees 59,000 from the contractor, reason for which has been mentioned that rupees 59,000 has been deducted due to excess payment made for the work through voucher number 142. Nowhere in voucher number 142 it is mentioned that due to what reason deduction has been made after the issuing of check regarding the amount to be paid, which shows bad intention on your part. You have made wrong entries regarding deduction mentioned in the voucher amount, which is proved to be a violation of the Financial Handbook. Voucher number 141 proves that the Divisional Accounts Officer has issued the check regarding the aforesaid payment passed by the Assistant Engineer. At the time of issuing check, deduction of 59,000 rupees from the amount to be paid makes your conduct suspicious, and you are found responsible for the misconduct in this regard. Therefore, you are found guilty of misconduct according to UP Government Servant Conduct Rules, 1956. Therefore, the check has been wrongly encashed by you after making a fraud entry by self-name, and the amount has not been taken in the cash book. The firm has alleged that you had received payment after committing fraud. Therefore, you are found guilty and misconduct regarding the misappropriation of amount after committing fraud on the documents and violating the financial rules. You are also held guilty for misconduct according to UP Government Servant Conduct Rules, 1956. The case has been decided, according to which demand along with interest has been made by the concerned firm from the department. The fact has been in your knowledge that the option of appeal in the aforesaid case has been rejected by the government. In such a situation you had not prepared the defense regarding validity of the agreement during framing of issues in proper manner. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lakshya Steno. Stay connected with us on social media. For any query, WhatsApp on 9991560799, link in description.